Have you seen people generating photos and then literally making them move as if they were animating them? In this video, I will be walking you through that entire process and how to do just that with just a photo. I've created photos with Focus, which is Stable Diffusion's generator. I've also used Midjourney. I've used Runway. There's so many different ways you can find ways to create these images. If you want to use Stable Diffusion, that's a little bit more complicated, but you can use Stable Diffusion through things like Leonardo. Yeah, that's not what this particular video is about. Now, there's a few mind-blowing tools that allow you to do this. I'm going to talk about two of them today. One is called Runway ML, and the other is called Pika Labs. So Runway came out a little while ago and allowed you to create videos from text. You could change styles of a video, like say you wanted to take a video you had and do it in a claymation world. You can do that. You can remove backgrounds from your video. Over the course of time, this tool has gotten so much better, and it even allows you to train your own models using photographs of yourself or whomever it is that you're planning to train a model on. You can even generate 3D textures. But let's just dive in and see it for ourselves. So first you go to runwayml.com, and then you're going to come to this page and you'll see this. You see on the left-hand side, it has all of the things that you're able to do. You could generate videos, edit audio and subtitles. When it comes to image, you could generate images or edit images. Looking at to 3D, over here, AI training, like we just talked about. It's as easy as bringing your image to life. Again, just to look at this for a second, this is how you can bring an image to life on this. So if I wanted to use an image, I could use an image, but right now I say I want a raw cinematic photoreal photograph of an alien spaceship over a lake in Colorado. No people, please. No people. Let's just do that. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to get, but this is going to give me. Let's see what we get. Now this is going to give me a video of that. I have no idea what we're going to get, but we can add different guardrails into this later on if we wanted to. It's just going to take a second here. And then we'll talk about this down here as well. You can have director tools and camera motion. If you see this right here, you can basically, if you look right here, you can see you can move the camera in certain ways. You can decide on how fast or how slow you want it to be. All of this I would have had to do before I actually made the prompt. Let's see what it gives me. That might be an alien spaceship. It's interesting. Interesting. All right. Well, that's kind of okay. But now what I want to do is I want to do image to video. So if I go into my files, I will go into my downloads here. I have a flying saucer that I made, right? I'm going to upload that right here. And this is going to be image to video. I'm not actually going to say what I want. I am going to use the camera motion. I want to zoom. I'm not going to actually do a vertical. Let me take that back. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and maybe move to the right. I want it to be rather slow. I don't really want it to move fast. I'm not going to give it a description because a lot of the times I find if you give it a description, it doesn't do quite what I want it to be. And that's in Runway. I'm going to show you something else that I actually feel like might do a better job and I actually use a lot more than Runway, and that's Pika Labs. But let's start with this. All right, we're just waiting 1 second, and it's going to give me something of an animation back. I did this flying saucer in Midjourney. So I used Midjourney. I made this image. I downloaded that to my desktop, and then I used that. And I'm putting that one in Unreal right now. And I'm putting that one in Runway right now. And I'm going to use the same image and go into Pika in a second. So this is the image. I mean, that's pretty, I mean, it's kind of doing what I said. I think it's moving a little bit too fast. It's distorting the photo. It's distorting the photo quite a bit. So I'm going to pause that. I am going to go to my Pika Labs. Perfect. So I'm going to go to Pika Labs and I'm going to go to Animate. And now I get the option to bring my image in. So that is my image. And I am not going to give it direction either, because let's see what it does. All right, we're just waiting in the queue. That's all you get to do. It says, be patient. I am being patient. And it is working on my video right now. But it's really cool because, you know, these are still pretty early on. And Pika Labs has given me better results than Runway, but they, you know, competition's good because each one is pushing the other one to do better. And there are models coming out every day and other people creating different ways of animating these photos in the same way. So I'm excited to see what it does for us. There's also this tool called Animate Diff, which is a little bit harder to use because of the type of computer processing that you need. So that's why I'm going to show you this, and maybe at another time I'll show you that. But this is the video that it created for me. It has my spaceship moving a little bit. It's turning. I would probably do a few other things, but it's anyway, you have the idea of what you can do and different things that you can create. I'll post a video of the spaceship when it was finished, and I think it's really interesting how you can move things along. But until then, like the video, subscribe to the page, keep watching, and I'll keep sharing some of these tools with you and getting a little bit deeper into actually how to tie all of these videos together and start making some real longer form video as well. Until then, bye.